How to reset Southwest Airlines password. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can reset Southwest Airlines password. Now, you can reset your Southwest Airlines password in two ways. The first way is when you're logged in into your account already and you want to reset the password. To do that, once you're logged in, you would see your own page, alright, and then the next step is to move to the top right corner where you can see my account, and once you can see that, just click on it. So after clicking on my account, you'll be taken to your account page where you would see your profile, you would see your trips, you would see rapid rewards and payment. And then the next thing would be to click on profile, which is the last option by the right side. So after clicking on your profile, you can see some tabs which includes personal, login and security, travel, communications, frequent travelers. So just click on login and security. After clicking on login and security, you'll be brought to the login and securities page. So on this page, you can see username, and then by the right side, you can see two options, namely change security questions, change password. So just click on change password, and then the next thing would be for you to enter in your current password in here. Then enter in the new password that you intend to change it to. Then click confirm your password and click on save, and then just like that, your password would be changed and reset. And that is it, all right. And the second way is by visiting Southwest Airlines recovery password recovery page. And that is by going to your web browser, click on the plus icon to open a new tab, and then in the search box just type out Southwest Airlines accounts recovery. All right, and click on search, and then you can see the first option which says password reset, right? So just go ahead and click on that, and then we redirected to another page where you can now reset your password. So you can see password request, forgot username or password. So you'll be asked to enter in your email here, and then click on set a new password, and you'll be redirected to another page, and a link will be sent to your email. So once you click on the link, you'll see some instructions. Follow the instructions and your password will be reset. So simple, right? Yeah, so ensure you try that out today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.